Hello, it's Sungeun. Welcome to Lifestyle C. I'm an interior designer and I'm sharing tips and ideas that will elevate your everyday life. Today, I wanna talk about 5 easy ways to make your home instantly look better. As an interior designer, I visit quite a lot of homes and I found some common mistakes people make. Let's take a look at those mistakes that you can actually fix easily. First, change light bulbs. I saw in many cases people choosing wrong types of lighting. Today, I'm not gonna explain deeply about lighting, but I'd rather give you some examples. In general, lighting is categorized into 3 types, which are ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. I always try to mix different types of lighting in a room because each type of lighting will have different purposes and moods. Let's say if you wanna make a reading nook and achieve an atmosphere where you feel cozy and focused on books, then you should choose a task lamp. It can be a floor lamp or pendant lamp, but it would be better with an opaque shade. Also, the lighting can be more effective when the lighting is turned down or off. So it's very important to plan your lighting carefully. But what if you cannot change the lamp right away? You can get some result just by changing some light bulbs. Let me give you an example. Some of my clients didn't like their pendant lamp above the dining table because they felt it brightened the whole room and it bothered their eyes. They wanted to have a really soft and cozy atmosphere. The lamp has a glass shade and bulbs are all transparent. The thing was that the lamp belonged to their rented apartment and they didn't want to change it. So I suggested changing those bulbs to silver-tipped bulbs. Basically, they are half covered with opaque silver material, so the light hits the ceiling and reflects. As a result, it works as indirect lighting. One more thing you can remember is that LED bulbs are relatively bright, so consider choosing ones with a bit lower wattage. Second, display things with different heights and groups. You may have experienced this. You spend a lot of time buying and planning items to display on your sideboard or shelves. You arrange them neatly in a row, but the end result looks messy and out of place. The reason is because you probably displayed everything that had similar heights and you put them side by side on the same surface. You need to play with heights to give a 3-dimensional look. Some things can be higher and others can be lower. Try to make groups and put some boxes, trays, and book stacks under the objects. You will see right away a huge difference. Third, straighten frames, pillows, carpets, chairs, and so on. I guess that it takes just a few seconds, but many people actually ignore how important it is to set everything in their proper positions. After use or several times a day or a week, place and realign everything in their proper position. Fourth, utilize organizers and baskets. I've pretty much said that keeping surfaces clean and tidy is very important to make your home look good always. So when you see many things ending up on tabletops and floors, you probably don't have proper places for those items. Divide your drawers and cabinets with some organizers. You can even use some existing boxes such as a shoe box, candle box, tea box, etc. Once those things have their own designated place, you will see less clutter right away. Also, you feel less overwhelmed when you look at drawers to find something. Make sure those plastic organizers are not visible and staying in drawers and cabinets, and get some beautiful baskets and boxes for displaying. Fifth, steam or iron your cottons, bed linens, and pillows. Not only are wrinkly shirts cheap looking, but also wrinkled curtains, pillows, and bed linens make your home look untidy and unpolished. In the past, I thought that linen bedding is always lined, but after I got a hand steamer, I'm very happy to steam them regularly. They look much better, and it's quite pleasing to hear the steam. It feels very refreshing. Of course, this is all based on the assumption that you clean your home regularly. So if you are interested to learn how to keep your home clean and tidy every day, please check this video here. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!